Subtitles by Dimato Zoc. So friends, I welcome you. You are here with Auger Tech channel, and today we have a tour of our production. And be sure to watch this video to the end, because we offer you at the end of the year is always a cool promotion. A cool offer for the purchase of equipment for the manufacture of snack coils. Let's go. So friends, right now behind me is the snack machine bending section. You can see directly from us our equipment that we directly make snacks on. Let me remind you that we do not only manufacture equipment, but we manufacture absolutely any snack product. These are coils, conveyors, one-piece spirals, some kind of axle-less spirals. Let's take a look at what we have going on here. Look at this right here. The geometry of the snacks is so perfect. So, if you buy this equipment from us, you will get snacks like this. Look, there are some blanks here. More interesting. Thicker metal. Accordingly, all of this was produced on our equipment, and the advantage is that you don't have to change any tooling all the time. Everything is made on a limited amount of tooling. I've seen people change some stamps to get a certain geometry. There is no such thing on our equipment. We can produce absolutely any geometry from 2 to 50 millimeters thick billets, and we have made augers that are 2 meters in diameter. Now, you will see a picture. A man is standing upright in full height. The augers are coming out of him. All this was made on our equipment. If you are engaged in such production where augers are present, then you can directly order our equipment safely. And at the end of this video, I'll remind you that we have a great offer for you, because it's the end of the year and we always come up with a great promotion. Be sure to watch the video to the end to understand its terms, friends, and to confirm that you know that we have different geometries of machines. Look, here we have in the stripping area how many prepared geometries, coils, screws. These are all our orders. Look, different geometries, and they're all done on our GP series machines. Here we have hard X steel. Our machine itself also has a huge force capability to make hard X. We bent 30 millimeters of hard X thickness on it. Our machines were able to handle it, so pay attention to that as well. Friends, since we are in the screw business, we could not help but invent welding rotators, which directly help us to weld our screw coils on the axis. And so you can see here that the stainless steel auger is spinning. That is, the welder simply stands with the nozzle and directly adjusts the current and welds with the arc, and the screw itself rotates. Directly increases productivity, eliminates the human factor. That is, a person does not need to can't climb up from the bottom of the workpiece. Everything works automatically. Therefore, you can also buy this equipment from us. Now, let's look directly at the flexible process. Look, here we have a specialist directly trying on the geometry of the snack spiral. Let's see how we get the joints of these coils. They're assembled perfectly straight, and that's how many people have been bent. It can be done in a couple hours. That's the volume. Let's see, the workpiece is inserted, and then just like that, it's cranked, bent. Initially, the machine is designed for the fact that it has software with the help of which the parameters are entered, and not only the parameters, but also the cutting of the workpiece itself, which can be sent for laser cutting. That is, it is very important to cut the workpiece correctly before bending it. You do not need your own design department. Everything will be done for you by our software, which will give you the cutting in DXF format. After that, you can send it to the laser, cut the workpiece, and then bend it. Let's finish our video where we started. That is directly I told you about the promotion at the end of the year until December 25th, 2024. When you buy equipment for making snack coils, our specialists will come to you anywhere in the world for free. We will come to you, spend some time, yes, they're 3 days, a week if necessary, and we will train your specialists to work on this equipment. Right in front of you, we will make some trial runs, and in fact, we will make your employees into specialists. So friends, until December 25th, 2024, order our equipment and get training and staging work as a gift. I bid you farewell, and see you in the next issues.